Okay, we're good.
Okay, sweet.
How you
Dude,
doing?
that dessert on your Snapchat story, what is that?
Oh, it's like it's like it's this like really famous like Korean dessert place. And they like they use like a cantaloupe. They cut a cantaloupe in half and then use like the peel for a bowl, and then they like put the meat on the top and then put ice cream inside. And it's like a ball of ice cream and milk and yeah, it's goodness.
That sounds so good.
Yeah, I ate so much tonight. Like we just got back and like I just it was it my tummy's happy for sure.
That's so good.
What'd you do today?
Well, I just woke up, so
Nice, nice. So do you have class or anything?
yeah, I have econ at 11:30, and then mission prep.
Why are you taking mission prep?
What the flip? That's not even a question. Because I'm going on a mission. I
Well,
turned in my papers on Sunday.
most of the people. Oh yeah, that's right. Congrats. But most of the people I know actually didn't take mission prep, even though they're going on a mission.
Well, I've taken mission prep like 5 times.
Seriously, you can do that. Oh.
Well, I took it twice, like at home, um, just like on Sunday, and then I took it last semester, and I took it um, like in Connecticut.
Oh, so
So,
you know all about it.
hmm I love mission prep.
Mission prep. You gonna take eternal marriage too?
Yeah.
Eternal families. I think yeah, it's like eternal family.
Yeah.
Alrighty. What did you think about this week's lesson that we went over?
Well, it definitely got more complicated
Yeah,
because now we're dealing with two sets of data.
yeah. The two samples thing. I feel like it's tedious. Like, ugh, it always does. I feel like remember we talked about like in the beginning of each unit, it's like easy, and then like as it gets like further in, it gets just like more like difficult and tedious.
Yeah. They're like, this is gonna be so easy. And then it starts hitting us, and I'm like, frick.
Frick. Yeah, but fortunately, it gives us like all these formulas and everything.
Yeah, true.
Like yeah. So, all right. So you ready? Just get going on the quiz thing.
hmm
Okay. One and two are true. Okay. So, um, our next question. Okay. So, are you ready for to go? You ready for number three?
Yeah.
Yeah. The next question, we review the PTC tasting study with different data. Out of the this is just like the this is just like the examples in the lesson, isn't it?
Yeah. It's like the same.
Yeah, are the numbers the same too?
Let me look.
No, they're not. I looked.
Okay, I'm
They're
pulling it
not.
up right now so we can compare.
Yeah. Okay, I got it.
Okay, I have it up on mine too.
Okay, so out of the 70 females, 52 can taste it. Out of the 59 males, 42 can taste it. Let P1 be the proportion of females. So P1's female, P2's are males. Um, the research question for the study is the proportion of females who can taste PTC different than the proportion of males who can taste it? All right. Use the data in the table to find P1. That's easy. So P1 is just it's
Oh, that's actually
it's
really easy.
it's X over N, right?
Alright.
Numbers.
So P1 is X over N. So P1 would be what? It's 52 over 18. No, 52 over 70. 52 over 70, which is what?
That's 0.742857, blah, blah, blah.
I think they round to okay. So that's
Round to 3,
0.74, 0.742.
yeah.
0.743. Okay. And then P2, same thing. Let's see if we get the same thing. So it's that over that.
Oh, it's,
What'd you get?
hold on 1 second. 1.4048.
What? That's
Oh,
not right.
wait, wrong. Wait, hold on. Okay, 0.712.
Yeah, that's what I got to. Sweet. Okay. Which sets of hypothesis is appropriate for addressing the research question? So, obviously, the null is always equals to um, so the research questions would be
It's equals and then the other one is not equals, I'm pretty sure.
yeah, I'm pretty sure, but is it
So it's
P?
either B or D.
Yeah.
I don't
Um,
think we're dealing with P hats though.
Me neither. And yeah, you're right. Because D, it doesn't make sense because one's P and one's P hat. So I think it's A. What do you think?
Okay, yeah.
Okay, awesome. Create a 95% confidence interval for P1 minus P2. So we need to find the lower and upper confidence intervals. We can just so all right. So P1 minus P2. Um, what's the formula for that again? Do you remember?
For the confidence interval
Oh,
for
I got
P1
it.
minus
I
P2.
got it. I got it. I got it. Oh, it's a freaking long one.
Ugh.
It's like, oh shoot. It's a super long one. It's like in brackets P1 minus P1 hat minus P2 hat, and then minus the Z score thing with the set value, and then
Number does
times
matter.
the root of
So,
see it? Do you have it?
Yeah, let's work
Okay.
it out.
So can you want to work the upper? I'll work the lower, and we can just work split it.
Yeah.
So you do upper, I'll do lower.
Okay.
Well, it doesn't matter because it's multiple choice, isn't it? Yeah. So we'll just do one of them and then we'll see if we both get the same answer.
Okay.
It's not fractional, right?
Yes.
Oh, there we go. My feet. Nice one. I feel like I go 3, 2, 3, 3, 3. Still too high. Oh, wow. It took me 7 tries. 85. Not just be fine.
Yeah, I think I have it.
I did the bottom one. And I got 0.18385. And the only one that has that is C.
183. Yeah, I got I got the number. I got C, negative 0.123.
Perfect.
Number 7. With A equals 0.05, what decision do you make? That's the level of significance. Yeah, with the level of significance.
That would be fail to reject HA.
Yeah.
Is that right?
Area point. Yeah, because uh, what do you think it is?
I think it's fail to reject HA, right?
No, I think you never it's always the null. So you either reject the null or you fail to reject the null.
So it's fail to reject HO.
Yeah.
What is wrong with it?
Oh yeah, let's go to A. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So since we failed to reject the null, it means
Since we
that
failed to reject, we have insufficient evidence, right?
exactly we have insufficient evidence. So we basically disproved the alternative, which is not equal to which is different. So it is D, because the first one is less than, which is not right. So it's different from.
So it's D, insufficient, blah,
Yeah.
blah, blah, different, yes. Next one question, mortality rates and depression, heart attacks.
Wait, what was your particular?
Another one. Okay, so this one, we have group 1, group 2, died, survived, in the total. The research question is the proportion of patients who have a heart attack and are admitted to the hospital on a weekday who die less than the proportion of patients who have the heart attack and admitted to the hospital on the weekend who die? So basically, it's equals to and less than. Those are the hypotheses,
What?
right?
What? What?
Proportion of patients who have a
Did
heart
I
attack
do
are admitted to the hospital on a
that?
weekday who die less than the proportion of patients. Yes,
So
equal
it's
to and less than.
less than. So that means, okay, so first of all, the conditions for the conducting hypothesis test is satisfied. So to meet the requirements, we have to okay. So n1 times p hat 1 has to be greater than or equals to 10, which is, what is that? So it would be
Wait, what is it? N1 times P hat 1 has to be greater than.
or equals to 10, equals greater than or equals to 10. So that would be 118,519 times, what's p hat 1? So that this is so yes. Okay. So it's 101.
P1 was weekday, so that's 118519 divided by. P hat 1 I think is 7.0914.
Give me 1 second. Okay. So P1, the first group definitely passed the test. Let's do the let me do the second group now. The second group is 6155 divided by 43447. Okay. 4.5, all right. And the other one is 5 times 1 minus 7, and equals to 4. Yep, they both passed the test.
Perfect.
So it is true.
Okay, what set of hypotheses is appropriate for addressing the research question?
It equals to and less than, like what the question stated.
So D.
Yes, ma'am. Okay, use the data in the table to find P hat 1. You want to find P2 and I'll find P1 so we can just, because we both know how to do it. It's just, it's x over n, so it's not like it's hard.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
So you find P2, I'll find P1. So that would be okay. Did you get it?
Yep, 0.145.
I got 0.141. Oh, that's pretty close. Um, that's basically like the ratio, the yeah, whatever. Find the z-score, and we have the equation for that.
Good luck.
The z-score is that huge equation. It's so annoying. It's like P1 hat minus P2 hat minus, that's in brackets, P1 hat minus P1 minus P2. Okay. Do you want to work at it and see if we get the same answer?
Yep.
Well, you have the equation from the lesson, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Yeah.
P1. So P1 minus P2. So it's 0.141 minus 0.145.
Mm-hmm.
And that minus P1 minus P2.
Come in. Hey. Hey, Riley.
Hi. Okay. Then put on a skirt. Could you please plug this in for me?
Okay. If everything is right, so square root of P. Oh, we have to do x1 plus x2 to get the p hat. You do x1 plus x2 over n1 plus n2. That's the combined proportion of success. Okay. Okay, I got this.
Hey Riley, do you want to put fluid in your car? Would you like like to learn how to?
Not really.
Okay, where'd you park?
No, probably at the light. Small parking lot.
Okay. I'm gonna guess your car's locked, yeah?
Okay, I think I got it.
I'm almost done.
Thank you.
Okay. When I rounded, I got negative 2.020.
Um, wait, sorry.
Thank you for checking up on me last night.
Yeah, so I got negative 2.02. Yeah.
Okay, sweet.
Okay. Given the z-score from the last question, which should you shade? To the left or to the right of the z-score for the p-value? So, given that, um, so like in the textbook thing, it says the z-score can be substituted in normal probability algebra to find the p-value. Since the alternative hypothesis is that p1 is less than p2, we consider only the area to the left of z-score. So it's to the left. To the left. Yes?
So if P1 is less than P2, we shade left.
Yes, because it's because of the alternative hypothesis. Since it's less than, we shade the area to the left.
Okay.
Now we find the p-value, which is easy. You just plug in a z-score. Give me a second. So it's 0.0217. So it's 0.022.
Yeah.
That's the p-value. That's the p-value. 0.022 is the decision for this test. What is it? So what is the sig fig again? Level of significance is 0.05. P-value is 0.2. So we reject the null. Yes, we reject the null.
We reject the null, yeah.
Because p-value is lower, and
Reject, so there's sufficient evidence.
yes, that's right. Since we rejected, there's sufficient evidence that the alternative is true. So there's sufficient evidence that it's less than. Yep.
And that is C.
Yeah, we're done. See what we got. Hey, booyah. Okay, I'm gonna shut this off now.